How's it going, guys? How's it going, guys? My name's Dane Nelson. For my project for uh, web business design, I made a website based on a gaming or YouTube account. And my focus on this was that um, nowadays I feel like gaming's been getting pretty big, and like a lot of pretty good YouTubers are getting pretty popular just posting videos. Um, so I actually, when I first started learning about the project, talked about making blogs and advertising, and then getting views and getting paid off of that. I definitely found out that you need a good amount of followers or viewers each day to be able to sign up for Google AdSense, which they post ads onto your website. I found that out kind of late already, so I just had it like this. But I definitely, in the future, thinking about doing affiliate, adding some kind of headset to the website. That way I can make some money off it. But going to his website, got the title, got the background that changes every little bit. I do have a gameplay. So this was my landing page. So I wanted that something that draw people in. Then as you go down, you're gonna have the blog post. And these are just in the order that I post them. So any new ones will be up here. If you do want to subscribe, I have a little link there. Put your email there. If you go to show more, you have all the posts here. Um, we have different weapons. So this is going to be based on categories too. So you'll want to just know about certain things. So we have new people coming, changes to the game, different characters. There hasn't been any new characters yet, so I haven't done any posts for that. If you then go to videos, same thing. You can select different videos to watch. And this is all just going to be gameplay that's I've actually uploaded. I could also think about uploading, talking with other gamers and uploading their gameplay that will be more popular. You go to info, you just have a little basic kind of talk about who I am. You want to contact me. And I haven't uploaded any Facebook or Instagram onto it. I'm debating on either using my personal one or getting a new one. So I'm undecided. But it's my website.